Welcome everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with a product to your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or adding new items to your existing store, this guide will walk you through each step of the product addition process. So first of all, access your Shopify dashboard. First things first, log into your Shopify Administrator dashboard. This is your command center for managing your order online store. Once you're in, you will find everything you needed to run your store effectively. So navigate to the product into the little pod. This is where all your product magic happens. So in this side, you should see that we have a lot of products. Let's start with adding a new product. In the product section, click into the add product button into the upper side. Now, your description here this will open up a new page where you can start entering details about your new product. Let's dive into filling out the essential details of your product. Start by adding the title of your product and add a detailed description. Your description should be engaging and informative, giving customers everything they need to know about the product. Be sure to use keywords that potential customers might use to search for your product. If you don't know what kind of description to add, let's say for example, this is just a great t-shirt made with 100% cotton and that's it. What you can do is to copy this easy description, go into generate edits and try to simplify or to rephrase it in a tone of voice that you are willing to talk to your customers. Let's say more supportive, more daring, expert, playful, whatever. So generate again, and I have here my suggestion. I hit now into keep, and this is my new suggestion. Even I can use the generate text to make this a little bit much more let's say extended than that. Be sure to use keywords that potential customers might use to search for your product. Now, adding product images. Images are key to selling your products. Upload high quality images that show your product from various angles. You can drag and drop images to rearrange their orders. We have our description with a few images. You can add your new images. If you clicked here, it says insert image. I have now added my medium. In this case, I have this girl to make it look really great so far, but if you kind of like to change that, I can move this, for example, like this, setting the price and the inventory. Now, your product prices, you can also add a comparative price if your product is on sale under the inventory section. Add your SKU and barcode if applicable and manage your inventory quantity. Proper inventory management helps keep track of your stock levels and ensure a smooth operation. Now let's organize your product. Organize your product by assigning it to a collection and add tabs. Collection groups your products into categories into the upper side. It's gonna be help you guys to easier for customers to find what they're looking for. So in this case, let's say for example, this is an actual tiara. So here into collections, I go for tiara. And if you don't have one, you can create a new collection here. So I'm gonna go here into stay, save, and I can create my new collection in here. Create collection, tiara, automated. Lastly, what you wanted to do is to go back into your products and hit into this preview on online store just to make sure that you actually did a great work. So as you can see, here's my cat white hairband tiara with the custom price, the color, the style, the quantity, buy it now, and the new images that I have just added. And as you can see, it doesn't look so bad. If this tutorial on adding products to your Shopify store was helpful, please like and subscribe to TechSpress for more e-commerce tips. Have any questions on your own tips and any products, you can share them into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. With more videos like this, you're going to be able to create a stunning and amazing Shopify stores like this, guys. So thank you so much for watching and best of luck with your Shopify store. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tutorial. Hopefully we can all see you next time.